Okay, let's work an example problem about population genetics. So in this particular problem, we have 25 members. So let's just put that important information here. Now, because these are diploid organisms, every organism is going to have 2 alleles per gene. So that means since there's 25, we have 50 alleles that we're dealing with. Now at this point, actually what I would do is I would pause the video, work the problem, and then come back and check your answers. But we need some other important information to jot down, and that is 12 of these are homozygous dominant, 8 are heterozygous, and 5 are homozygous recessive. So let's put that information down. So we have 12 individuals who are big B, 8 are heterozygous, and 5 are homozygous recessive. So let's get a tally of the number of alleles of both the dominant form and the recessive form in our population. So these individuals right here have 2 copies of the dominant allele. So we can say all 12 of them have 2 copies, so that's 24 alleles. These individuals have 1 copy, so we're just going to add 1 for each individual there, and that gives us a total of 32 alleles that are the dominant form. We'll do the same tallying for the little b. So again, these 8 individuals have 1 each of the recessive, and these 5 individuals have 2 each. So we'll add those together. And it looks like we're doing okay so far because 32 plus 18 would equal 50, which is the total number of alleles we have in the population. And the question is asking us, what is the gene frequency of the recessive allele? So of the recessive form, what's the frequency? In other words, how many alleles of the recessive compared to the total number of alleles in the population? So we say 18 divided by the total, 50, and we get 0.36. Now that gives us the gene frequency. If the question asked us for the percentage, we would just multiply this number by 100, right? And that allele frequency would be, or the allele percentage would be 33%. So I hope that was helpful.